In the exclusive Bridle Path neighbourhood, this gated palatial estate features over 22,000 square feet of living space, including 8 bedrooms, 13 bathrooms, and 3 separate kitchens. Entering through the solid cherry wood front door, guests arrive in an elegant foyer, which features marble flooring, extensive millwork, custom drapery, and a cathedral coffered ceiling. A walk-in cloak closet off the front entrance provides plenty of convenient storage space. The light-filled main hall greets guests with windows overlooking the home's manicured side gardens. The coffered ceilings, crown mouldings, pilaster walls, and marble floors throughout the main floor give an immediate impression of elegance and style. From the main hall, a recessed-panelled archway leads through to the opulent living room. Here, music can be played through built-in invisible speakers, while you enjoy the town and country gas fireplace and its carved limestone mantel. The breakfast area, which adjoins the kitchen, main hall and family room, features heated marble flooring, decorative pilaster walls, and a French door leading out to the garden. The spacious dining room, with its ornately decorated walls and ceilings, overlooks the side gardens and provides plenty of space for gala-like entertaining. For smaller meals, the gourmet Eat-in Neff kitchen provides a spacious breakfast bar on a large 8-shaped centre island, complete with granite countertops and 2 undermount stainless steel sinks. The kitchen is fully outfitted with stainless steel Miele appliances, including double ovens, a warming drawer, a steamer, an espresso machine, a convection oven, 2 built-in dishwashers, a built-in wine cooler, an induction cooktop, a Faber hood fan, and a refrigerator freezer which is gracefully hidden behind illuminated, custom-built wood cabinets. The family room, which sits open to the kitchen and breakfast area, includes plenty of features for comfortable everyday living, including heated marble floors, built-in invisible speakers, and 3 sets of French doors which open up onto the garden. Beyond a set of impressive walnut double doors lies a library with custom built-in bookshelves, walnut-panelled walls, and a walnut coffered box ceiling. Entering the Grand Salon, guests are greeted by a breathtaking Scarlett O'Hara oak staircase with a broadloom runner and copper pickets, which leads to the home's upper level. Upstairs, the master suite provides plenty of private space for the homeowner, including a large bedroom, a sitting room, a boudoir, and a luxurious 7-piece ensuite. The floors are quarter-sawn red oak, and the coffered ceilings are complemented by a large, elegant chandelier. In the adjoining sitting room, the homeowner can relax in front of the town and country gas fireplace, housed in a marble surround and adorned with a painted wood mantel. A French door walkout leads to the balcony, overlooking the private rear gardens. The luxurious 7-piece ensuite features heated onyx floors, an oversized deep soaker whirlpool tub in an onyx surround, and 2 separate custom furniture-style vanities with his and hers undermount sinks and onyx countertops. Along edges of the upper hall, which provides a sprawling overview of the Grand Salon below, sit 6 more bedrooms, 4 with their own ensuite bathrooms. Each bedroom has been designed with the same attention to detail that can be found throughout the rest of the property. The lower level of the home is an entertainer's dream, and includes a recreation room, ballroom, games room, home theatre, wine cellar, and indoor swimming pool. In addition to an integrated hot tub, the swimming pool room also features a spa area which houses a dry and wet sauna, 2 separate seamless glass showers, each outfitted with rainforest shower heads, a change room, a 3-piece washroom, and a walk-in storage closet.